Mic check 1 2. I think in meta. Mic check 1 2, and we're gonna. Mic check 1 2. Whoa, Ilichen Sangapi. My bad. Anyway, let's get started. Don't know what time is switched, but wait. No, that was online. No, those like. Hello, sorry about that. Anyway, let's begin this. This is the 1st of December. Let's go. Let me see. So we are currently trading above yesterday's high. Let's go check it out on the monthly. Wow. So through the week, I was talking about that if we keep on going up, then I see this level being taken and this one. So now, if we keep on going up, then we do have the open price, the open whatever of this candle. So let me pull up those levels. We only have a few minutes today. I've started super late. It's now, we only have 8 minutes to do this. The music should be around 40 and I'll add in the other whatever. We can just have one bit running today. So we have, so this is where I think we will be coming to next. That open price looks attractive to me on a monthly time frame. Will we get there today? I don't know. So what do I call this? I'll just have it like a monthly level over there. And then if we keep on, I don't think we're gonna be getting up here, honestly speaking. I doubt, but in case we do, we have that level marked out. Let me get the volume up a little bit. There we go. And if we are to come back on the monthly level, then we have this monthly high. Ooh, that one has to be there. So that's the previous month high, and actually I don't have to do all that. PMH, that means the previous month high. So that's good. All those are on the monthly pool, and I think we're done. So coming back, then this is the level that I'm seeing over there. Let's go to the weekly. Let's see what we have. I'm already seeing we are working this. This is a weekly fair value gap. So coming down, that is also another pool that we can try to see if we can come down to. Now, looking at how the week has been bullish, we can expect to see a retracement of at least 30% if they don't keep on going towards these levels up here. Now I'm seeing this is an old, so that's gonna be an old weekly high. So pull that in the weekly group right there. That's just above that monthly open price for this candle, which I think, how would I call it? What do I say? Monthly open price, But we see right there is an old weekly high, which is this high. See how we've just run all these highs and there were kind of targets to reach out to? That's the same logic. So I think it could be coming over there. The other thing we can do is just like look for a half of this week. But what I'm thinking, that could be too much marking. But who knows where price might decide to turn back. So in case we see something over there, I want to be ready to take advantage of that. Yo, you don't have to be so interested or whatever. That's okay. Let's mark that real quick. Right there is the weekly, what week? Jesus Christ. Weekly EQ, but I have to know that it's a week of something. So it's a weekly week, and it's old. So once I see that, then I'll know what that is. This is a week, that's thick over there, and that's the half of it. So I'll know. Then I know there's a monthly open price over there. Monthly bearish order block open price. You know what? Let me just say. No, it's okay like that. So I think on the weekly we're done. So we either reach out to this level or we start rejecting. Then we do have this pool over here and then this level. So was that on a weekly? I believe so. Yeah, so weekly pool. Now let's go down to the daily, and then after this I'll just jump down straight to the 5 minute. So looking at the daily, looking at the left, this is where we are. Price is currently here. That's a daily high, an old daily high. I don't know if we've traded for that already. Let me just have it old daily high. Let's no, it's not that. There we go. And then you see this right here is also something to look out for right there. That up candle before we came down. So those are levels that just have their daily bearish order block. Just in case we haven't traded to them, those can offer some really nice rejection to the downside. And then we do have a small little daily gap over here. And I think I'm going to have it marked. Are we gonna get there? I don't know, but it's not. That's cool. I don't think that's important. Okay, and I think that's it. So let me just see if price is right there. Okay, so this is where we currently are at those two levels, which can offer some nice, move to the downside. So I'll have those levels over there in case we see a setup that will be in. Now at this point, let me see. Oh, those are on the daily. So let me have that there. So let's see what the 4 hour looks like. I like this. I like that down candle over there. And I'm gonna call that down candle. I have it like a 4 hour bullish order block. And we can see price maybe come there. That's a really nice area. And then we do have this pool here. Are we gonna be coming down all the way up to here? I don't know, but if we do get a setup, by the time we're here, we should have, we should have our targets met for the day. So in terms of the 4 hour, I think that's it. There's no need to have this gap over here. We have those covered. Now if we're going up, then there's this previous 4 hour high which will have marked. So if we can keep on going up, then I think we can have a good decline to the downside, maybe at 12:30 or whatever. We'll see how that goes. 1 hour is just gonna be some more detail of what we're seeing here on the 1 hour. Pull this up to 1 p.m. I like this 1 hour fair value gap here, but I'm not gonna worry about that. 30 minutes. What do I see? I have that fair value gap. I can't mark everything, or else we're going to have a chart that we can barely look at. Looking at the 15-minute, there's no imbalance. I love this. Beautiful. Even though in the 30-minute we do have an imbalance there. This is good. This can be like a walk in the park. This is nice. If we do get a shot, we should be able to get to this weekly fair value gap with no problem. Just let me make sure it's well marked. Yes, it is. And 15 minutes. So let's go to the 10 minutes. I don't dwell so much here unless looking for targets. So, but on the 5 minutes, we do have that right there. Some unfinished business, and I like to mark it as unfinished to let me know that it was previously traded into. Pull that up to 1 p.m. We can refine that later. Now we are currently working that right there, and it's now 12, my guy. We are late now. It's okay. Let's pull up this indicator that shows us the previous 4 hours. So when you look at this already, we're only looking for sales, unless I don't know. Should be able to get a quick 1:2 on this day. My bias is bearish as we speak, and that is done with. Do I have to mark this? I don't have to, but since we don't have so many markings, then I can just do it for fun. I like that. That's that signature that in future I want to start trading. When I start, spending more time in front of my charts. Look, a consolidation, manipulate. This is that fake side move, thinking, tricking people we're going down and then just shoot up. So when this happens, then typically you want to see a retracement to OTE of this level, like 3/4, and then keep on shooting up. So I am favoring us coming down today, and mark that properly, and then we're done. Now we go to the 1 minute and we wait for entry setup. I hope we don't get tricked, because we've had a very bullish week, and a lot of people are trying to grab a top, and that thing is it's very manipulated, trying to grab the top, trying to catch a top, right? Because I'm sure here this looks like that was the top, and I know there's people already selling this, hoping to see like a huge decline to the downside. So it makes sense, for that high to be manipulated. So we have to be very, very, very careful. I do like that right there, and I'm actually no, yeah, that was a swing low, and that right there is supposed to be a trade, but that right there is supposed to be a trade, but I don't know why. I don't know. I'm not. But that right there is a trade, right? We've traded above the previous 30-minute range. We are in a discount, a premium of the previous 4-hour range, and we just broke that low. So we look for a quick 1:2. So according to my rules, that is a good one. But if I took this trade, I would strictly take 80% off at 1:2. Because this turnaround to me is too small. But then again, that could be the turnaround of the week. Like, they don't have to come up here. So let me pull up the other boys. Let me see what they're doing. If there is like an SMT, then yep. Now they're kind of doing the same. Wow. That trade is looking good, I'm telling you. So, wow. Wow. That would have been a win. Come on. Because what do we have right now? 1:1. So risk reduced to half. Wow. Okay, we missed that one. Again, we came to the charts late, but it's all good anyway. Risk could be reduced by half as we speak right now. We're just about to get to 1.5. Wow. Okay. Okay. That is fine. There's no inefficiency on US100. US, not yet 1.5. US, whatever, US500 has these two inefficiencies over there. Let me have them marked. Yo, it does not get it. 1.5 break even, completely break even, right? So 1:2 will be right here. And then for my targets, go to the 5-minute time frame, and that right there will be where I'll be coming out. So this is just me like looking at the lost opportunity, but it's all good. That is very, very likely to be reached right there. That will be my goal. And we're just about to get to 1:2. Then again, you know, I came to the charts really late. Ugh. That right there, 80% off. My God, we missed on a good one. And that actually could be the turn of the week, right? Like just, but why do I still feel like that they will go up a little bit more? But that right there is 1:2, and this is where I ultimately think we'll get down to. So that was beautiful. So I can leave that one right there, and I can just have it in my journal. It says, oh, what am I doing? Yo, guy. What was this? Let me ask. Why do I have this marked here? Interesting. I'll just. Oh yeah, I know. Oh my God. Go 80% off, break even. As usual. Let me just see what we'll be looking at right now. That would have been our entry. We'll be looking at 1:2.6 as we speak right now. And anyway, we're not gonna get married to that. We missed it. It's all good. I think this is where we're coming to at that 5-minute down candle. There we go. Beautiful. And right here, take off another partial if you did engage with that trade. Where else would it be going to? Right here is also a nice target. And I think this thing is going down without us. Oh boy. Not good. Because this could be that decline that we see. Like, let me just mark it. If that is the high of the week, we can mark it from up there to the, wait, it has to be on the weekly candle, not the weekly candle, right? I know too much is marked. So, oh my God. So that high to that low, and how would this be? 0.7. That would be, let me have it in like a green color. So that right there would represent 30% of this weekly range. So we are likely to see the market come down there. I'll have that marked differently. I'll have it in green, and then I'll have it maybe like 3 pixels, and name it like minus 30% of the weekly range. Does that make sense? And then let's take it on this. So going back to the 5-minute, oh my God, I've missed a good trade. Come on. So the potential of this trade is now 1:6.25. That would have been I'm just about to finish my challenge. Anyway, it's all good. These things do happen. Let's mark the 4-hour ranges of these things. So they haven't really gone up to take out the high, but they don't have to anyway. That was me thinking that was a fake. I would have wanted to see it go up a little bit, but 12 is also a really nice time to get this reversal for the day. I just don't think that, this was just too smooth, just stand once. Or maybe they're, they're tired of manipulating, because that looked like a reversal, that looked like a reversal, this one also looked like a reversal. Maybe this is another fake, I don't know. I'm going to mark this. Actually, I don't have to mark all of them. That's wasting time. One of them is okay. So see how today we are in sync. Like, kind of. Let me mark this side so you can kind of see better. We are all in the previous 4-hour premium zone. All of them, the US100, US30, US500. These levels, I don't know if I'm really using them. Let me check them out real quick. If they are, they are from a long time ago. We don't need that. We also don't need that, because and what? I think that's all we need. There we go. Yeah, I think we shall keep on going up. Now, when we take out this high, then I think we'll have a high probability now to get like an extended short. And when that happens, I will hold onto my entry. If we do come and manipulate this high and take out this high, and then they give me an entry signal, maybe at 12:30, I'm going to hold, because I believe that we can see a bigger move to the downside. Otherwise, if I was in this move, I would have already taken some good partials over there. So wow, that went up to 6.23. Beautiful. That was a really good trade. So I'm gonna get rid of it so we don't get married to what has already passed. So there's no inefficiency here on the 5-minute on US100, which if this high is taken, then best believe you me, if that's a word, they're gonna come and fly above this high. So this is why I love just doing 1:2. 1:2, take a partial and then leave a runner, because look at all this thing has now been all this move to the downside is now been reversed, but they may just be coming back to this high over here. You see this up candle, this 5-minute up candle, maybe that's where they're coming, get some resistance over there and then turn around and keep going down further. But that would be wow, that entry. These are the kind of entries I like, when price just tags me in and it leaves, just goes. Again, if you remember that strategy that I've been talking about, the 1-hour strategy, where the candle opens, goes up, when it comes back to that open price, you want to sell at that point, right? Believing that that was a fake move, and then take your 1:2 and then leave a runner. If you held, that would have been a crazy RR right there. I probably would have increased my stop loss a little bit, but you just want it up there. That would have been like 1:25. So if you can only get something like this like 2 times a month, even if it's a high loss rate, and you see such things, this is a good a good strategy. So that one I can be looking at it in the future, but in the meantime I'm looking at it live because I've seen it for the last 3 days. The whole of this week that thing would have given me money, maybe except on Monday. It did come to 1:2 and then went up, came down, so that would have been a loss. So Tuesday would have been a win, Wednesday 1,000, today would have been a crazy win. But I would take partials after 1:2 because they really do some games, because it can go up, come down, then do something like this, and then shoot up further, and then I'll come and keep going down. So if you don't take partials, you can end up losing. Now this right here, okay, there's no swing high, so there's no entry. I would have loved if we came up here, but now that is me doing my things. But best believe me, if I came to this whatever early, I would have taken this trade. I would have taken it. I would have taken this one. So now we have to wait for another opportunity. Now this is that daily candle to bullish, and this is that 30% of whatever. So if we do go down and then reach here, then I'm not gonna beat myself so much, but yeah, I think those guys are done. They just want to now keep going down. We'll have to wait for the next opportunity. If we do get something, we will engage. If not, so be it. I really want my whatever to be in here, so let me see. Webcam, no. Okay, that can work, and I can just have my computer. Yep, I think I can stream like this. That works. Okay, main capture device, and there we go. Boom shakalaka. So this is the daily candle, and I do have another account here that I might start trading today, but I'll give more details later. This is the high of the high. What do these guys want to do? I do think there's going to be some manipulation to the upside, and then they shoot down. I don't know why. I really don't trust this, but don't listen to me. Follow your guts. But if you're here trading with me, you better listen to me, or lose out like you did yesterday. So we've entered into that 5 minutes just a little bit, so I'm going to update that, and my computer is hanging as corridor, and then I'm gonna have it as unfinished. We are respecting this 5 minute bearish order block over there, which is all good. So now you can see we are working between this gap and this gap. We are inside that range. Now if they're to go down, don't you think it's better if they first come up and then shoot down? Because this is what, if they keep on going down, I would like to see them get here and go up, and then anyway, it's all good. This is the daily candle. This is no, this is the weekly range, from the start of the week to whatever, and this right here is that 30% of that weekly range over here, right there at 35,980.27. Guys, if we do break this low, then I think it's game over. We have missed this entry. honestly speaking. We could have missed a good entry. Because if they start pulling to the downside, I'm not so good at jumping on a moving train. Unless I employ indicators, you know. But I stepped away from indicators. What is this? Okay, this is that 5-minute boy. Oh, come on. High. Then maybe we can expect a higher low from this range between 12 to 12.30, and then maybe we can get an entry, keep on going down. Okay, I feel like we've listened to that music too much. Let me add some more beats. Oh, I don't have to do it here. I can do it from OBS. Sorry. Add files. No live and these are the ones I have. Let's go. Okay, seems like we have to restart OBS, right? So one beat for the stream today. Yeah, I think we lost this opportunity. Everything is just looking bearish from here. Oh, okay, the other beats came in. Awesome. Hey. Whoa, my God. This thing is gonna live without us. And if that happens, it's all good. No worries. I thought maybe it would come to that high, but maybe they've done enough damage, you know. Wait, why is this one back here? Yeah, they're now back to bearish. Do I want to hop onto this move? Because wow, we are still in the premium anyway, and it just This is that daily candle. Already we are seeing that rejection to the downside, so that's okay. And we are back to bearish. So this is a missed move, you know, so it's all good. Break even, so my partial will be enjoying this right here. Kevin. Especially how we traded below this down candle. Mm, there could be no need to come up here. Let me have that marked like that. Dun, 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 dun. And yo, this is not good. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Manu, do you need something? What? Pancake. They're right there. Good, baby. Come like this. Come like this. Turn left, right there. On the kitchen counter. Okay. There you go. Sorry about that. Oh, yeah, not that I need it, but let's see. I already know we're above there, so previously high, yeah. Now let's just keep on being hopeful that we can still get a good setup, but we do have 12:30, and then we have after 1 p.m. I usually call them desperate entries, which sometimes work very good. So anyway, we have like 5 minutes to 12:30. No. Oh, did you say can I warm? Okay, give me a. Oh, guys, I'll be right back. So I'll be waiting for 12:30. So it's only 5 minutes away to see if I can get something. I'll be right back. You don't have to be warm. Yeah. No. Finish that one and then you can eat one of them. They're not yours. They're for all of us. Go back to your whatever. Keep going up. Oh, was that on the whole time? Yeah. Let's see if that 5 minute holds one more time. Now, this too could have been an entry actually at that high, but we are in the premium, and you know I don't buy in premium. That just kind of keeps me in a nice spot overall, you know. Looking like in a monthly, you know, time frame, then in the long run it helps me. Sometimes I'll miss trades, but if I did enter over there, then that would have been a 1:2. Now, can I take that trade? Yes. Yesterday I missed a good trade that was similar like this, and I should have taken it up, but because these two were in the discount zone, so if they are here, then this is a good place to buy. And if they do start going up, kind of all of them will follow. So US100, even though it was in the premium, this one got to the discount and they shot up. Is that how this market works? I don't know, but that makes sense to me, and I've seen that now a couple of times. So if that happens again, then I will bet on taking that trade, and even if it loses, I'll be okay with that. The problem is losing on a trade that you knew was way outside of your plan. You had not planned for it. That kind of losing is bad losing. You want to lose. Good traders, as I had from, I think it was Paladin, is good traders are good losers. And maybe he had it from somewhere, or maybe that wasn't him, but I've had that before, and it makes sense. Good traders are good losers, meaning your losses are worth it. Now, I do like this. Do have this small consolidation. We shot up, came down. So I want to see how this whatever closes, and then I'll take a short because that will be the low, and whatever high they have, if they do come up and do cross a low over there, I will engage with that. The problem with 1230 trades is they do have this tendency of just staying over there. What I've seen this week and last week, maybe that's not enough data to draw that conclusion, but I don't like that we don't have a wick, so that for me is not an entry. Yeah, because that could have been an entry right there, but how this candle has no wick, that's suspicious to me, so that will keep me from taking this trade. Otherwise, that right there should be an entry for quick 1:2, but nah, it goes without me. I'm good. Because the previous 30-minute range has been kept with that level of, wait a minute, no, it's way up here. Ooh, I thought it would be here. So nope, no trade. So we have to trade all the way up here for me to get an entry. Kevin, why did I miss this one? Come on now, boy. That was a really good trade. My God. Shoot. 1:6 point something. Wow, beautiful. No, so no trade, and we are still finding support on this candle, resistance on this up 5-minute candle. Now, are we likely to keep on going up? I do believe so. This to me is just suspicious for you to just turn. There has to be, it doesn't have to do that, but I would like to see this taken out. And then I will come back and shoot down further. If that happens, I plan on holding a little bit more because I think we can see it come back into this range much deeper. This is my end goal complete here. Right there is my end goal. Right there. Let's see if we can make it there. As of now, still have to wait. So for now, let's see if we can come up here, maybe at 1. Let's see if we can come back inside the range. If not, then no trade for the day. If this is cross, then that high, most probably we are gonna be going up. At this point, I really don't know. Okay, see how that wick, whatever has been taken. Wickless candles are magnets. So this is the plan. If I do see this, I will engage this trade. Once we take out this range and come back inside the range, we can trade above that high, or we can fail to take whatever way that happens. My entry is gonna be at this low, and whatever highest high will be right there, and then we do aim for 1:2, 80% off, and then we leave a runner. Bam bam. This right here is what I want to see. Let's see. So you can see the same thing happened here, but I missed it. Boom, short down, and let me just draw it so you can see visually. So this is the same thing I want to see. We went up, short down, and then we went up a little bit, and then boop. Now this low right here, see that low, same low? That is what I want to see again. If that happens, we are going to be engaging. So that would have been a beautiful win, but now waiting is the name of the game. Ooh, 3 people came in and went out super fast. Maybe looking for entertainment. But entertainment comes after we get paid. In the meantime, we do the boring job. We do the boring work before we get paid. That 5 minute is really acting as support, as resistance. Either way, we stick to our rules, because I'm telling you, I would be in like right now, and my stop loss, I can have it up there, and then I'll start hoping for this thing to go down. But there's a high probability that will shoot up and then now start coming down, because one thing I know is, after being bullish for a whole week, there's a number of people trying to catch a top to sell it. Because man, imagine, like, let's say this candle, if you sold up there, look at all these gains. So these people trying to fade that move. Yeah, so we want to be among those who will be fading that move, but we're not trying to catch a top. Which, does that make sense? Thanks for joining in, and please leave a like on the video. That would be amazing. Oh, I didn't know you can like your own stream. Now when I bought a new Bugatti. Oh, should be 2 people watching this, man. Let me make it happen. Oh, thank you so much. Wait, how did that go from 4 to 2? Are people liking and then disliking? Interesting. Oh, a second person is watching. Ooh, welcome. Wow, look at that. There could be no manipulation. Yo, if this thing just keeps on going down without us, then I'm okay. I'm really cool. You will miss trades, right? Time from time, and that is okay. That happens. Manu, what you doing, boy? That would have been a loss. Quick one. Wow. Yeah, I think we're now going down, honestly speaking. Small tiny gap over there. Let me see on the 10-minute if there's anything. Yes, this one. Ooh. We keep waiting anyway to see. We'll see or see, Yeah, boy, we're about to drop like it's hot. Now, if I was to do like 12:15, like what time is it? Like 12:45. So there's nothing we can do. Your price dropping like it's hot. That 5-minute order block held beautifully. Okay, we do have this one. Let me see what this one will do. Because we do have a fair value gap in that open price. This down candle. That's a bullish 5-minute order block. And there's that fair value gap over there. Let's see how this one will be worked. This one's now that becomes buy side. Buy side liquidity, same here, right there. Now, this right here, there's no inefficiency, so this is a walk in the park, but we can just see this. But the way they've left this equal highs here, and then this one has this 5-minute stuff over here, we have to be watchful for that. We don't want to be okay. We do have actually. I had not seen it, but now I have caught you. You cannot hide from me. Come here. The question is, will we get up there? No worries, my guy. Patience is the name of the game. There we go. Now, this fair value gap is this one, So now we have some similarities. That could be easily a breakaway gap. Yeah, where they don't have to come back there. But seeing how we do have this buy side, oh my god, that right there would be a nice place to buy. Now US30 doesn't have that formation, but this one's do. This is very, very likely to be taken. So so now the new plan is to see us come, maybe close that completely. If they do start coming down, there could be no need to come and take this high. We can just respect the high, and then I'll keep on shooting to the downside, because I'm kind of bearish on the on the concept of thank God it's Friday. I believe that's the concept behind that thing. Having a bullish week, then on Friday there's a high probability that it will retrace at least 30% of that weekly range, which if it does happen out, that is a huge, that would be a huge whatever space of real estate land, if I can say that. Up to here, that would be the 30% range. We marked that out earlier, and I think I should have that in red just to make it stand out. Yeah. Thank you for joining in the stream. Leave a like. Please leave a like. That'll be good for the channel. So this is the boring part. There's really nothing we can do about this. Just wait, and then it gets exciting when we finally get a win. Seen price do the same thing over and over. Yeah, it's boring and exciting at the same time. But when that win hits, oh my god, the dopamine that comes from that is something else. Are you trying to say this is drugs? Well, depends on your discipline. Yeah, I want us to keep on going up. This decline was suspicious to me from the word go. Now look at this one. Hey, you guy. Hey, this one is going down and this one is going up. Now that is some suspicious behavior. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, I think we're gonna be getting a trade anytime from now. Okay, let me just be ready. This has to be pending 1%. Okay. Okay. So I have two accounts I'm trying to work with. This is one of them over here. Okay. And then this one. This is a demo, but this is not. So I have two accounts I'm trying to work with. It can lead to one of them over here. Okay. And then this one. This is a demo, but this is not. So I have two accounts I'm trying to work with. It can lead to one of them. Okay. I do get a setup, and then I am going to. This is a demo, but this is not. I'm going to get. So I have two accounts I'm trying to work with. It can lead to one of them. Okay. I do get a setup, and then I am going. But this is a demo, but I like. Now I'm going to get. So I have two accounts I'm trying to work with. It can lead to one of them. Okay. I do get a setup, and then I am going. But this is a demo, but I like. Now I'm going to get. So I have two accounts I'm trying to work with. It can lead to one of them. Okay. I do get a now when this one turns red, but this is a demo, but I like. Now I'm going to get this line. It can lead to one of them. Okay. Now when this one turns red, but this is a demo, but I like. Now I'm going to get this line. Now now when this one turns red, but this is a demo, but I like. Now I'm going to get this line. Now now when this one turns red, it can work for you. Now I'm going to get this line. Now now when this one turns red, it can work for you. Now I'm going to get this. So yeah, at 2:50 in 1 hour and 50 minutes. Yo, I need you guys to trade above this. But this is good. This is good because now we do have this high and this high. Those are just, wait a minute. They are the same. What is that high? Looking at the number here, that is 36247.38. 36. Ooh, those are the same price. So we do have beautiful liquidity here. I would never take a short. I would never sell when I see two levels like being that equal. That right there is price that will be run in a minute. That level right there, I can bet you they're going to run it anytime, and you can see like a strong push to the upside. They just, so the logic is there's couple of, you want to sit here? What you doing, young man? So this is what it's called a double top, right? So that is something that is seen as resistance, which it works anyway, but this is just too smooth. Like having two, nah, see, it's gonna get run out right now. So you don't want to be selling here. That's just a straight loss. Unless maybe you have your stop loss like way up here, then maybe that can work. But for now, nope, we are not engaging. Not going outside, man. Nobody's going to be watching you. Manu, don't go outside right now. Wait until I finish this stream and then we can go out. Now, this is suspicious. I like how we're having this, urge to want to go down on US100. US500, the way I've seen it, will usually be in between what US30 and US100 is doing. You can see this one is kind of going down. This one is, establishing like an up move already. And then this one is just, yo, which one? What do you guys want to do? So for now, I'm still going to wait. So anytime from now, the market should start getting exciting now till 50, and I'm favoring us going up and shooting down. So the way this guy is coming down, my god, they might leave that one like that, huh? Nah. Whoa. Okay, let's keep on waiting. Otherwise, the new plan is come up, then come back inside of this range, fail to take the high or whatever, but that low is my entry. If they just start going down right now, then that is just a missed opportunity. Oh, look at this guy. And now US500 is joining the rest. Let me see the 5 minute. What do we have? No inefficiency up until right there. We do have some unfinished business. And then look at the 5 minute, how this candle doesn't have a wick. This is what I'm thinking. That 1 p.m. volatility, we'll see it go up and then start coming down. And we should be in a position to hop on that trade. Wow, that would not have worked. This right here is going to be run. I would never take that sell. Never. Okay, see how they came into that 5 minute gap over there, and then they want to keep on going down. Suspicious. I like how they're leaving, this levels without running them. And then look at this wick. Look at this candle. It has no wick. That is good. That is price magnet. That is a price magnet right there. And then there's no inefficiency in this leg, so if we do start going down, then we can see all of this just being taken like that. Now, today being a Friday, will they do all that? I don't know. Wow, these guys are going down. Okay. Okay. So anytime from now, we can see like a huge push either to the downside, or they can shoot up and then shoot down. And I think that's it happening right now. Wow. See how it stopped on that level? Price is very much algorithmic. This is an old daily high, so even if it's gonna go through, for some reason they just respect those levels, even if it's for a second. There we go. That 1 p.m. volatility, that is how it behaves. Like it just came from nowhere. Now this has no wick, so when we start coming down, then I might take that trade. This is that one. That 1 p.m. volatility. There you go. There you have it. How will this one work now? Okay. Okay, so we will be taking out this high. Manu, give me a minute. Just give me 1 minute. Huh? No. Give me 20 minutes. Okay, there we go. Now we've taken out that high. Anybody going short here, you should have known better, unless you took your profits real quick. What is it that okay, this level here is what now we can look. See this high, actually let me just have it the high, which is this previous 4-hour high, previous 4-hour candle high right there. This is too much green, and then 2%. Yeah, that's okay. This level, so if we can see it come there and then come down, and then they give me that low formation, that swing low, then I will enter this trade. Otherwise they don't have to. So if we start up, so this is what I'm gonna do. We've already covered this gap, it's traded completely, so we don't need that level. Oh yo, my guy, so we don't need that level. The only other thing I'm a little bit worried is this one has taken those two highs, this one hasn't, but it doesn't have to. Now this one has taken those highs, which is good, and then it's now 1 p.m. where actually it's not at 1 p.m. Woo, baby, we might be getting a banger trade if we do take out that high and then they give me my entry, bruh. But then again, time is up. Okay, this is good. US100 has taken out that high. Now, do they also want to come and take out the previous 4-hour high? I don't know, but US100 is likely to take it, take that high. If that happens, then that means the daily candle is back to like bullish, because this is the high that the daily candle reached. So there's a high probability that they will want to fade this. So that is what I will want to take advantage of. The whole week was just too bullish for them to close bullish. Not that they cannot, they still can. Price will do whatever. So let's see. I like how we have a lot of wickless candles. Now this right here is where could be our likely entry. Oh, why? It's we were just about to take out the high, but we did not. Yeah, okay. No worries, no worries. I didn't see any swing low, so we just keep waiting. 5 minutes. Okay. So that buy side has been taken. We don't have to get married to that. That's done. That's done. Clean up those levels. Date that. That one they have not reached yet. That's okay. So I would have loved if they took out this high as well, but I think now I need a swing low, kind of like this, how we have a low and a lower low and a higher low. When they do have that, that will be my entry trigger. Until then, I just keep on chilling. But I would have loved if these guys just came up there, took this level, and then come back inside the range. Those setups, they usually offer some really high probability trades. Otherwise, I'm not seeing an entry, so there's nothing I can do. La 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 la. So that's a candidate for now. If this one closes bullish, then that low will be our entry and that high will be my stop loss. It's now 1 p.m. We can try see if we can get a 1:2. So I think that's the entry, honestly speaking. I think that's the entry. Let me set up on this side as well so I can enjoy that. We could be losing 1%. And it's all good. So let me see, 1%, no, 1:2. Okay. So if that closes bullish, then I'm going to be engaging that trade. 4 seconds and okay. My sell stop has been set. If that closes bullish, I forgot to set this. I'm going to be engaging that trade. 4 seconds and okay, so yo, wait, my sell stop has been set. If that closes bullish, I forgot to set this. I'm going to be engaging that trade. 4 seconds and the stop loss is 3. So yo, wait, my sell stop has been set. If that closes bullish, I forgot to set this. I'm going to be engaging that trade. 4 seconds and okay. So once we hit that low, that's my entry. If that closes bullish, I forgot to set this. Is not very high probability. 4 seconds and okay. So once we hit that low. Seeing how this that closes bullish. This is not very already high probability. 4 seconds. Okay, so once we hit that low, seeing how this that closes bullish. This is not very already high probability. 4 seconds for now. Okay, so once we hit that low, seeing how this that closes bullish. This is not very already high probability. 4 seconds for now. Okay, so once we hit that low, seeing how this that closes bullish. This is not very already high probability. 4 seconds for now. Okay, so once we hit that low, seeing how this that closes bullish. This is not very already high probability. 4 seconds for now. Okay, so once we hit that low, seeing how this that closes bullish. This is not very already high probability. 4 seconds for now. Okay, so once we hit that low, seeing how this that we do have bullish. This is not very already high probability. 4 seconds for now. Okay, so once we hit that low, seeing how this that we do have bullish. This is not very already high probability. 4 seconds for now. Okay, so once we hit that low, seeing how this that we do have bullish. This is not very already high probability. 4 seconds for now. Okay, so once we hit that low, seeing how this that we do have bullish. This is not very already high probability. 4 seconds for now. Okay, so once we hit that low, seeing how this that we do have bullish. This is not very already high probability. Then what's the probability that we okay, so once we hit whatever is right there, seeing how this that we right now, this is not very already high probability. Then what's the probability that we okay, so once we hit whatever is right there, right now. Then what's the share? Whatever is right there. Right now. Then what's the share? Whatever is right there. Right now. Then what's the share? Whatever is right there. Right now. Then what's the share? Whatever is right there. Right now. Then what's the share? Whatever is right there. Right now. Then what's the share? Whatever is right there. Right now. Then what's the share? Whatever is right there. Right now. Then what's the share? Whatever is right there. Right now. Then what's the share? Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. Then what's the share? Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. Then what's the share? Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. Then what's the share? Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. This is just me. Then what's the share? Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. This is just me. Then what's the share? Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. This is just me. Then what's the share? Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. This is just me. Then what's the share? Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. This is just me. Then what's the share? Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. This is just me. Then what's the share? Right now. Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. Let me just me. Then what's the share? Right now. Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. Let me just me. Then what's the share? Right now. Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. Let me just me. Then we have right now. Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. Let me just me. Then we have right now. Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. Let me just me. Then we have right now. Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. Let me just me. Then we have right now. Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. Let me just me. Then we have right now. Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. Let me just me. Then we have right now. Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. Let me just me. Then we have right now. Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. Let me just me. Then we have right now. Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. Let me just me. Then we have right now. Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. Let me just me. Then we have right now. Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. Let me just me. Then we have right now. Whatever is right there. So most likely right now. Let me just me. Even if we do get 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 $1:14 p.m. Okay, guys, I'm done. I'm not taking a trade. I've decided that's it. Even if it works out, time is not good right now. Anything after 1:15, it can still work. Actually, they can still come up here and then shoot to the downside. But that's it for me. I'm not trading anymore. So I'll see you guys on Monday, and I thank you for joining in. So this is something new I'm doing right here. Working. It's not new, but it's gonna be new, like showcasing the progress. So this is something new I'm doing right here. I'll talk about it new, but more. I'm gonna talk about it more on an showcasing the progress video. So this is something new I'm doing right here. I'll talk about it new, but it can be more. I'm gonna talk about it more on showcasing the progress video. So Freedom in a mouth. Thank you so much for joining in the stream. Talk about it new, and I'll see you on Monday, same time. So coming next week, I'm gonna be here way before 11, or just make sure I'm here before 11:30, because today if I was here by 12, I would not have missed this trade. But it is what it is, and it is what you make it to be. So it is not what it is. That is wrong. It is what you make it to be. Trader Mavera, and I'm out. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you so much. Please leave a like and comment or whatever, and subscribe so you can get that. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I'm going live. Maybe I can do another video during the week, an analysis video or a top-down analysis video. I'll see how that goes. If I do get time, then I will do it. Otherwise, do have a good weekend. Keep on working on your skills, and they will take you before kings in due time. That's the best thing you could ever do for yourself. Work on a skill and try and be the best at it. That should, do you wonders. And I'm out.